I'm Matt Willis, Public Health Officer from Marin County, with today's update on COVID-19 response. Today we had a few more cases in our community. We are now up to 11 cases total. We've tested over 150 people in our drive-through testing sites, and of those, 7 cases have been detected. This confirms what we had expected, that we are seeing transmission within our community, and really validates the decision that was made today to issue an order to ask people to shelter at home. I joined with 7 health officers from around the region to issue a regional order that would, for the Bay Area as a whole, to ask people to shelter at home and to limit all non-essential travel. I know there are a lot of questions about what that might mean, and you can find answers to those questions on our website. The intent of the order is to limit the number of encounters in the community that may transmit the virus between us. It's spread from person to person. So unfortunately, one of the most important strategies is to limit those face-to-face encounters where transmission can occur. Sheltering in place and social distancing doesn't mean we're disconnected from each other. In fact, we need to lean more heavily into those other ways we can connect without being close together. Reaching out by phone, the text, online communication will be important ways to stay connected. Without getting into every detail of what businesses are deemed essential, these are broadly outlined in the order. One way to think about this is to say, what businesses are essential for our health? We need access to food, we need access to health care, we need access to our medications, we need sanitation, we need supply chains to remain intact. We need government to continue to perform essential functions, to stay in business. We need to ask ourselves, what can we live with? What can we live without? Right? What can we live without for a few weeks? We could probably live without retail shopping, or dining out, or even going to the gym. It may be a hardship, but it's not vital to our health. We're in a period of exponential growth in the number of cases regionally. This is what's been seen abroad, seeing images from Italy where health systems are overwhelmed. We're doing everything we can to prevent that picture here. This is going to be a test for all of us. I'm so impressed by how people have stepped up so far to meet this challenge. And those relationships, we're going to need them even more strongly as this epidemic moves through Marin. Our instinct in times like this is to come together. And I know it's hard when the message is to stay apart. But this is something that we can weather together.